Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Ram Seta. In this video, we will be discussing about cookery rules and preservation of nutrients of nutrition subject. One long essay we will be discussing in this video. Explain the various methods of cooking and its effect on nutrients. Firstly, we need to write the definition of cooking. Cooking is the skill of preparing food fit for consumption by combining, mixing and heating ingredients. There are mainly three methods of cooking. They are moist heat method, dry heat method, combined method. Moist heat method. In this method, the heat is conducted to the food product by water or steam. Moist heat method includes boiling, stewing, simmering, steaming, poaching, and blanching. Boiling. Cooking food in a rapidly bubbling water around 100 degree temperature is called boiling. It has advantages that are it is an easy method of cooking. Boiled food is easily digestible. In this method, rice, dals, and roots and tubers are also boiled. Disadvantages: vitamins and mineral loss occurs by boiling for long time. Stewing. Stewing is a gentle method of cooking food in a pan with a tightly fitting lid. Stewing is similar to boiling and simmering, but the difference is that stewing uses less amount of water. In this, meat and vegetables are stewed. Advantages are food is nourishing since it is cooked in covered pan. Almost all nutrients are treated as gravy, which is also served. Simmering. Cooking of food in water below boiling point, about 84 degrees Celsius to 99 degrees Celsius temperature. Example is meat and fishes are simmerized. Advantage is it enhances the taste and flavor of the food. Disadvantage is it is a slow process and vitamin C is destroyed by slow process of cooking. The next one is steaming. Cooking of food by steam is called steaming. Food doesn't come in contact with water directly. The steam generated from vigorously boiling water cooks the food. It has two types that are wet steaming and dry steaming. Through wet steaming, idlis, puttus are prepared. Through dry steaming, sauces are prepared. Advantages is no loss of nutrients and disadvantages it is a slow process. Next comes is poaching. Cooking of food in an open pan with a little amount of water and temperature below the boiling point is called poaching. Example is eggs are cooked by poaching method. Blanching. Dipping food into the boiling water for a short time is called blanching. Next method is dry heat method. It includes roasting, baking, frying, broiling and grilling. Roasting. Cooking of food with direct contact with heat is called roasting. In roasting, only surface of the food gets the heat. The rest of the food is cooked mostly by conduction and convection by heat. Baking. Cooking of food by dry heat is called baking. The food is surrounded by hot air in an oven. Breads, cakes and puddings are prepared by this method. Frying. Cooking food in hot oil is called frying. It has two types, shallow frying and deep frying. In shallow frying, fishes and cutlets are fried. In deep frying, puri, pakoda and samosa are fried. Broiling or grilling. Cooking of food kept on a metal grill by direct flame is called grilling. Kebab, tikkas and brinjals are broiled. And the last method, that is the combined method. Most of the Indian foods are cooked by this combined method. The example is braising. It is a combination method of roasting and stewing of food in a pan with tightly fitting lid. Example is upma and kheers are prepared by this method. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.